I've asked Hamlet to come and see you, my lady. I hide behind the curtain when you talk. I want to hear what he says.
I can hear him coming. Hey, now, quickly!
You want to talk to me, I think?
Yes, Hamlet, what was the strange play about? Your father is angry and worried now.
What do you mean, mother? My father is dead.
Claudius is your father now.
I know Claudius better than you think. And I know you too. You're the queen. And I'm sorry to say that you're my mother.
I'm not going to listen to this.
I will tell you the
Help,
truth.
guards!
Hey, guards, the queen is in danger!
Oh, there's someone behind the curtain.
Oh, Hamlet, you've killed him!
Is it the king? Polonius?
What a bloody thing you have done!
Bloody? Yes, as nearly as good, mother. As killing a king and marrying his brother.
Killing a king? What are you talking about?
The man you married, mother, is a murderer.
No, Hamlet, what are you saying?
Why did you do it? Your husband was a good man, a loving father, a great king. And now you married the animal who murdered him.
No more, Hamlet, no more!
The ghost of my father. You have come again.
My poor son, he's mad!
Hamlet, don't hurt your mother. I don't want her to be unhappy, but Claudius is still alive. Take revenge, Hamlet, remember me.
What are you looking at, Hamlet?
Can't you see it? My father, the king, your husband. Aren't you afraid?
There's nothing there, Hamlet.
It's gone. I'm not mad, mother. I'm telling the truth. The man you married is a murderer. I'll leave you now. Don't say anyone what I have said.
But what shall we do with Polonius?
He always loved talking, but he won't tell any secret anymore.
He's mad and angry like a stormy sea. There was an enemy hand of Gordius, and he pulled his sword and killed Polonius.
Oh no! He's dangerous, Laval. Where is he?
I think he's gone to hide the body.
Rosencrantz, kill the stairs. Find Hamlet quickly. He has killed Polonius.
He's sorry for what he has done, I'm sure.
This ceremony just to the ritual, I'm afraid. And sending him away to the method. We will have to explain his death to everyone.
Where's Polonius, Hamlet?
He's having a rest, a long rest.
His Majesty, he won't tell us anything.
But if you go up those stairs, you'll smell something strange.
Guards, quickly, go up those stairs and find the body.
There's no hurry. We will wait.
Now, Hamlet, you are very prisoner soon. Your friends are going to see you. You'll feel better if you visit Denmark for a while.
You won't? Okay, I'll get ready.
Rosencrantz, you listen. I want you to stay all the time with Hamlet. Do you understand?
Yes, my lord, we will leave him out.
When you arrive, you must give this letter to the King of England. Immediately. It's very important.
We are your servants, my lord, and we will ask you.
The King of England is my friend. I've asked him to do something for me. Kill him. I will never be happy while that man isn't. Ophelia isn't well, my lady.
What's the matter with her?
When we told her that her father was dead, she was very sad. Now he's saying strange things. Oh, my love is dead. My love is dead. And lying in the ground.